Okay, children, good afternoon to all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, Adulya, Dominic, Ebin, Justin, Lakshminanda, Alnaros, Shania, Melita, Justin, Karthik, will you turn on your video? Okay, children. So we'll do the next question. A chord of a circle, question number, I'll give one, question number 1. A chord of a circle a chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc Okay, children, I'll draw the figure. One minute, I'll draw the circle again. Children, did you finish drawing? Hello?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. See, children, it is given that a chord of a circle is equal to the radius. Okay. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. So that is the main point in this. Clear, children? That is the main point. We have to find this angle and this angle, both the angles up and down. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to find this angle up on the major arc and this angle on the minor arc. That is our question. Now it is given that this chord equal to the radius. Are you listening, children? This chord equal to the radius. Okay. So OA is the radius. And OB is also the radius. Now what can you tell about this triangle? AB is a chord equal to the radius. OA, yes, OA is the radius, OB is the radius, and AB is equal to radius. So this triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. Now, equilateral triangle, what about the all angles? What about the angles?
60.
60 degree. Okay, children. Now, all angles are 60 degree. This is 60 degree and all angles are 60 degree. 60 degree.
C is
Okay.
equal to 30.
Yes, yes. Very good, very good. So, angle C equal to 30, half of it, isn't it? So, I will give that name as angle ACB. The reason of this, we have to write OAB is because since OA equal to OB equal to AB. That is why it became the equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to half of angle 60. And it is 30 degree. Now, children, what can you see a quadrilateral here? Quadrilateral with all four vertices are four vertices are on the circle. What type of quadrilateral is this? Quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD. ACBD. Quadrilateral ACBD. Yes, children? What type of triangle it is? Sorry, quadrilateral it is?
Cyclic.
Cyclone. Cyclic, okay. So ACBD is, cyclone has gone, Srihari. ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So what is the speciality of a cyclic quadrilateral?
Opposite angle, sorry. 180.
Sum equal to 180. So this is 30 degree. And what about this one? Both when you add, you will get 180 degree. So one is 30 and the other one will be
150.
50. So angle ADB equal to 180 minus 30 equal to 150. degree. See, children, did I tell about the art integration project yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Did you take the screenshot or did you search in the Google?
Ma'am, you should take the PowerPoint slide. No, we have
No
to make.
need, no need. Drawing is enough. 3 for A4 pages 5 or 6. A4
Tell
sheets.
me was to submit it.
PPT, if you cannot draw it, means otherwise what we'll do is you will download from Google and make PPTs. This is for drawing. You have to connect this with mathematics and you have to connect it with lines and angles, circles. Okay, vertical opposite angles. So connect it and draw it on the basis of geometrical shapes. So for drawing that, before that, first step is that you have to draw a circle, draw the vertical opposite angles like this. 1 minute.
And we have to submit it
After the vacation. You have to draw first of all a circle, then vertical opposite angles, then again concentric circles. You make it into different parts. Now you can draw it like this. Use anything which you want. Okay. So that for only drawing is needed. No need of PPT.
So, ma'am, you're saying that we have to should do in A4 sheet paper.
Hmm?
We should do in A4 sheet
A4
paper.
sheets. Yes. 4 or 5 pages. 1 or 3, 2 or 3 drawings and some descriptions.
So I have to do 3 drawings and 2-page explanation.
Some descriptions. Yes.
3 drawings and 2
Not
explanations.
3 drawings. As you like, you can draw. Okay. Don't, and not more than 5. Okay. Not more than 5. Yes, children, shall I give the next one? And next question. Question number 2. In figure, angle PQR equal to 100 degree. 100 degree. Where PQR are, where P, Q, P, Q, R, are points on circle, points on circle with the center O. With center O. Find angle OPR. Okay, children, when we do the proof, there is one more construction here. Take a point S. Take a point S in the major arc. In the major arc. And join PS and RS. That means there is one point S you take here, that is a major arc, and join it.
Ma'am, one more doubt. Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, we have to submit after Christmas or before Christmas vacation.
After Christmas vacation. Will you submit after Christmas vacation at least?
Yes, ma'am. You can
Okay.
count on it.
Okay, okay. So children, after joining that PS and RS, you will get a quadrilateral. You'll get a quadrilateral like this. And what type of quadrilateral it is? What type of quadrilateral it is? Yes,
Cyclic.
Srihari?
Cyclic.
Srihari, what type of quadrilateral?
Ma'am, cyclic.
Okay, okay. So PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Is a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes, children, we have to find this angle, this angle, this angle, this small one. Okay, this small angle OPR. That angle we have to find. Okay. Hello, children. And
Yes, ma'am.
yes, yes. Now look at here. We have to do a lot of things in this. See, children, this is 100 degree, right? Since it is a cyclic quadrilateral, what about this
S is
angle?
equal to 8.
Yes, angle SPSR equal to angle PSR
80.
equal to 80 because it is cyclic quadrilateral. Isn't it? Therefore, angle PSR equal to 80. Okay. Now I will draw one thing. You have to identify the angle's measurement. Okay, 1 minute.
50. Oh,
50. Oh.
40 angle
This
OPS.
is 80. Just now we found this is 80. Can you find this?
Ma'am, 40 degree.
40 degree. How did you get it? It is upside down. That figure is, if it is like this, you can identify it properly. But it is upside down. Okay. So that 80's half will be here, 40. Sorry. Not half. Not half. Not half.
60.
160.
160. Yes. This is 80. So it is double of it. 160. Sorry, not the half. Double of it. Isn't it? Isn't it, children? So that central angle will be more. Central angle is the double one. So this angle is 160. 160. Now can you see? 160. 160. Correct? It is double. Central angle is the double. So 80's double will be in the central angle. Now look at this triangle which I am drawing now. Triangle OPR. Triangle OPR. What type of triangle it is? Triangle OPR. Triangle OPR. Can you triangle OPR? Can you identify that which type of triangle it is? What can you tell about OP and OR?
Ma'am, isosceles.
Because OP and OR are the radii. OP and OR. So though in the triangle OPR is isosceles because that OP and OR are radii. OP equal to OR because both are radii. So we got that triangle like this. That triangle is like this. Okay, on the top it is 160 and both the sides are equal, and you all know the base angles also will be equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the measurement of that? This is OPR. I have drawn it again. Can you tell the measurement of that angle then? This one?
Ma'am, 10.
Yes, good. So it is 10 because since it is isosceles triangle, the base angles will be equal. So we have to find angle OPR. Angle OPR equal to OPR equal to 180, half of 180 minus 160. Why did I wrote half? Because since base angles are equal. Base angles are equal for isosceles triangle. Are equal. So it is half of 20 equal to 10 degree. So if it is 10, 10, then only you will get that 180. Okay, so this is 10 and this is 10. Now you will get total angle as 180 degree. Okay, children. Now, shall we move to the next one? Okay. Shall I raise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. Next question. If a line intersect, if a line intersect, if a line intersect two concentric circles, two concentric circles, two concentric circles with the concentric circle means with the same center. You write, note down it. With the same center. With center O, with center O at A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, prove that Prove that AB equal to CD. Prove that AB equal to CD. Concentric circle means one circle and on the outside of it another circle, like that, like ripples in the water. If you throw one stone in the pond or in the well, the water will move like this, ripples. Okay, so that is like concentric circles. So this is a common code for both the circles, and it will intersect at A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. We have to prove that AB equal to CD. Okay. There is a construction in the proof. Draw OM perpendicular to BC. Draw OM perpendicular to BC like this. One line like this. OM perpendicular to BC. It is a perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. So that the angle will be 90 degree. Yes, children. Now we have a theorem. Listen here, we have a theorem that the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Isn't it? We have a theorem. The perpendicular from the center. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. Isn't it, children? We have a theorem like that. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Yes? So children, so that AM, no, AM bisect means it will be equal. So AM equal to DM, correct? AM equal to DM. DM. Therefore, AM equal to DM. Clear, children? AM equal to DM. And see, children, that is a big chord, no? That is the for outer circle. But in inner circle also it bisect. Inner circle also it bisect. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Inner circle a small chord is there and the same part is there for outer circle also. So we'll take the outer one first. So AM equal to DM. And next the inner circle. So BM equal to CM. BM equal to CM. BM equal to CM. Okay, children, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2. We have to subtract both the equations. We have to subtract equation number 1 minus 2. Subtract. That means left side we will subtract AM minus BM. And right side also will subtract DM minus EM. What will happen if you subtract? AM is the big one. From there, if you subtract BM, from there, if you subtract BM, what will happen?
Now we'll get AB.
AB. We will get answer as AB. Similarly, from the long one DM, if you subtract the small one CM, you will get the remaining part. AB, CD. AB equal to CD. Clear, children? You understood it? It's very easy. Now children, look at here. Let me give you one more result. One more result. After that, this chapter is finished. Chapter only 2 questions are there more. That I will send in the WhatsApp. And Monday, Tuesday, I will start a new lesson. Last chapter, construction. Construction. Okay, you bring your instrument box, where scale, pencil, everything. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen. You know that perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Isn't it? O is the center, AB is the chord. And perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. So if this chord is total length is 8 centimeter, what will be these small pieces? AM. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. If it is 8 centimeter, what about this? Half? 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter,
Centimeter.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And suppose this distance now, distance, if the distance OM is 3 centimeter, can you find the radius OA?
5 centimeter.
So that is a right angle triangle. So it is a very important question. It is a right angle triangle since perpendicular from the center bisect the chord, perpendicular from the center bisect the chord, bisect the chord, triangle OAM is right angled triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to AM square plus OM square. So that is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9 equal to 25. So OA equal to root 25 equal to 5. One minute, I'll scroll it. Yes, children, suppose the codes only, if any number is missing, you can find the other, right? If 3 is missing, you can find that altitude. If AM is missing, code's length is missing, you can find it. Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So it is a very important thing, you write it. This is the last one. Okay, children, shall I wind up now? Okay. Hello, children, shall I wind up the session now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some students are there in the waiting room. Okay. Shall I wind up? So Monday when you come, next class Tuesday when you come, you bring your instrument box, your pencil, scale, eraser, everything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Ma'am.